Here is a problem. First, figure out which formula you would use to solve the problem. I've got a 5-gram mass of oxygen occupying 0.0500 liters at a pressure of 0.980 atms. Find the pressure of the oxygen at 4 liters. Now, at first glance, you might think this 5-gram mass has some sort of significance. Look at all the other variables that you have and see what you are going to be doing. A mass is used in PV equals nRT only if you're solving for one of those things and you have the other variables. In this problem, it is asking me to go from one volume to another volume. It gives me those two numbers. And it's asking me, what's a new pressure if my pressure started at 0.98 atms? That means I've only got a volume and a pressure. If you only have a volume and a pressure, that's PV equals PV. That's Boyle's law. PV equals PV would be the equation that I would use. My initial pressure is 0.980 atmospheres. My initial volume is 0.05 liters. Equals, find the pressure. That would be my X at 4 liters. My problem would set up looking like this. Pressure 1, volume 1 equals my unknown pressure 2 at volume 2. To isolate my variable, I take both sides and divide it by this 4.00 liters. When I do that, my answer is 0.01225 atmospheres. How did I know my answer was going to be in atmospheres? It's the units on my original pressure. Whatever the units on your original pressure are, will be the units of your answer. So, to isolate the variable, you would divide both sides by 4. My problem in my calculator would be 0.98 times 0.05 divided by 4. That's my answer.